Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do the mix all of my foundations and concealers challenge because I actually already mix about 3 foundations when I'm like going out and I want it to really last long and I really want that full coverage but yet luminous type of look, and I really like the way that looks. I wanted to see how it would look with me mixing all of my foundations, especially because I have foundations here that I don't use because they're either too light or either too dark or too orange or too yellow. It's a lot. So yeah, if you guys want to see the outcome of this video, then please keep watching. Alright, so I'm actually going to use these little containers here. These little containers, I get them from Forever 21 and Rite Aid sells them as well. So I have everything mixed in here. It looks pretty good in shade, so hopefully it matches well. Now moving on to concealers. Okay, now I'm gonna mix all the concealers with my spatula. So I want to see if the foundation actually covers the little scars that I have behind from my acne. Hopefully the shade doesn't look crazy, so here we go. Doesn't smell bad, but it smells a little weird. I definitely smell the Huda in here. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Wow. It's gone. It's pretty much gone. And then all the redness that I have here is gone. My under eyes are pretty much concealed for the most part. I do feel a little bit of stinging right like around here. Let's see if I could keep going to this side. low-key though, I think this is gonna be my going out foundation. The shade is pretty good. I think it's a little darker than what I am, but it's not bad because once you put in concealer and everything, it kind of lightens up with the powders and everything. But wow. That mark that I have right here is pretty much gone. I still do see my pores right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can see them still here. It does emphasize my texture just a bit, but it's not that bad. No, it doesn't even, no. My texture is barely there. Let's try the concealer now. So it doesn't feel thick. It feels actually kind of lightweight. So I feel like Tarte Shape Tape by itself is pretty thick, but this is, I don't feel like this is as thick as the Tarte Shape Tape by itself. I do feel a little bit of the stinging again. Not on my face, but like only on the areas where the concealer is that I put. Oh my god. Wow. It's like the perfect color. It's the perfect color. The coverage is insane. Like if I wanted to, I could wear this as a foundation. Obviously not this color. Wow. And look how like smooth it blends out. It covers amazingly. Oh my god. I feel like my face, it looks like I have like a filter on. Like I don't see anything on it. Like I do see some of my texture like right here. My pores, you can't really tell as much as before since I guess I got the concealer on. But look, none of my marks are there. It's all gone. It looks not airbrushed, but it just looks like I have a filter on, you know? I do see creasing though, but that's with every concealer. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. I think it looks pretty good, right? See how you can see the texture a bit? But you can't tell any of the scars are there. I don't think it's anything compared to any foundation that I've ever had. Huda is like about close. Huda and Lancome is like as close as it comes when it comes to like mixing all the foundations. But I think it gave me a beautiful finish. I think it's not too matte and it's not too dewy either. So would I recommend this? Yes. The only thing is I do want to see how long it lasts before I actually get oily and I have to blot and all of that, because I am oily. So that's the true test. And throughout the day, my boyfriend and I are going to the movies. He's on his way to pick me up now. What time is it? It is 5:18 right now. I've had the foundation on for about 30-40 minutes, I want to say. So we'll see how long it lasts before it gets all crazy looking and everything. But so far so good. So I'll keep checking in with you guys later on. Creased right here. Separation around my nose. I'm oily. So I'm gonna blot and see how much comes off. It still looks pretty good. I'm gonna put my Invisimatte on to see if it makes a difference. So I think it looks pretty good. It's just that the foundation broke a little bit around my nose here and around my smile lines. But overall, it stood intact and it's still really full coverage. And I think I could go a few more hours with this foundation and it's 10 o'clock right now. So the concealer creased a little bit under my eyes, but that's normal. It's fucking Tamagotchi. But that's pretty normal. It doesn't look bad. But as far as everything goes, I mean, do I recommend it to people to mix all of their foundations? I mean, yeah, if you want to. It looks pretty good. I think this is gonna be my going out foundation, so it lasts all night. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to comment, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.
No, you're doing it wrong, babe.
What am I doing?
You're supposed to end the video like,
What? Come. You do it.
No.
Come over here. If you guys haven't already seen my past video, I did a video with my boyfriend and I did his makeup and he looked flawless. Like a little delicate flower. I also posted, what other videos did I post?
All the other videos.
I did a spicy noodle challenge as well with my friends. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I'll link everything down below. And that's it. That's all I'm supposed to say.
Stay gold, people.
Bye.